Okay, this is my process for using the number 9 leather rivets to fix the handles to the knives. First thing I'd like to start with is, for me personally, I like the smooth side of the pin to be on the thumb side of the handle for myself. I think that'll be a little bit preferential. So the first thing you do is put that through on that side, take our washer, and we'll set it over the top of that. Be sure to do these one at a time, because once you set this and then you go to setting on the next one, sometimes it jogs them loose. This is our rivet setting tool. This is the number 1 tool. The number 1 tool is just a hollow center to go over the shaft to get the rivet set down onto the post, because the rivet is a slightly smaller diameter than the pin. After you get that set down in flush to the leather, we come in with just a pair of clippers and come about 1/8 of an inch from the top, right where it starts to bend, clip in halfway, rotate it 90 degrees, and then clip off the rest of it. This leaves a nice pointed top to it. After that, we take the number 2 tool, which is just a rounding tool. We go over the top of that pin and work the pin back down to round with a little bit of rotation here. That leaves us with a nice rounded top on our pin, but it still sits just a little bit proud. So what we do after that is we just take the flat of the hammer, making sure we don't bang into the leather, so keep it nice and flat. Bang that out the rest of the way flat. Leaves you a nice round pin that is set in flush to the handle where you're not going to feel it. And then we carry on down the process with the other 2 until we're finished. So pin, rivet, or washer rather, burr, I guess. Set the burr down, cut the overhang halfway through from one way, rotate 90, halfway through the other way. Take our rounding tool, round the rivet. Nice and round. Flatten it out. Next rivet. Next burr. Number 1 tool. Set flush. Halfway through. Rotate 90. Halfway through. Rounding tool. Flatten it out. There we go. 3 nice round flush mounted rivets.